Good morning, everybody. I'm Mercy Victoria, Assistant Professor of English, Government First Grade College, Kanakpura. Welcome to General English class for first semester BCom, affiliated to Bangalore University. Today we'll be doing a session on comprehension. The learning objectives of this particular topic is to understand the importance of reading comprehension, to understand the various types of comprehension, to comprehend the importance of comprehension that enhances the reading skills. At the end of the session, the students will be able to understand the history and the importance of comprehension. Let me give you a quick introduction about what is comprehension. According to Oxford Dictionary, it consists of a passage upon which questions are set to test the student's ability to understand the content of the given text and to infer information and meanings from it. Yes, we've been doing comprehension from a very young age, like from 8th standard onwards. A passage would be given and below that questions will be asked based on the comprehension of the passage given. Comprehension is derived from the Latin word comprehensio, meaning seizing or capturing. What are we seizing or capturing? We are trying to seize or capture the meanings of the particular words or get the answers for the questions which are asked. Comprehension has three levels. They are literal, wherein we focus the facts and the details given in the passage. Second level is rote learning and memorization, just memorizing whatever has been given. Then comes the important or the highest level, reading between lines, which helps in analyzing, synthesizing and applying. What do we do in reading between lines? When we read a passage, it has two kinds of meaning. One is the content meaning and the implied meaning. So when we keep reading once or twice, we have to read between the lines, and as a result, we will be able to analyze what the passage is about and synthesize what the real meaning is or what the real theme is and apply to whatever question it was given. Comprehension is one of the most important skills we have to develop. Why is comprehension so important? It is important because it increases effectiveness of reading. It also helps academically and professionally. If we keep doing comprehension, it increases the reading speed because we read the passage in order to get the information and answer the question set on that. It also helps in accurately interpret and analyze the written information. Yes, if we are good at comprehension, we also develop these four things. Effectiveness of reading helps academically and professionally. It increases the reading speed and helps in accurately interpret and analyze written information. Thus, comprehension plays a major role, or it's one of the skills we have to develop to become a good reader. Yes. Thank you.